As a child, where does my life really begin in my own eyes? What's the first vision I have? It's a sea of tennis balls. I didn't understand myself, resented the abandonment I felt.
We have been absolutely fascinated with the insights into the mind of tennis great Andre Agassi with our Open Up series, so here's the latest edition.
It was always about, can I be better than I am now? Can tomorrow be more hopeful than today? Two vanquished opponents just totally destroyed one another.
The Jacobs Creek Andre Agassi spot set a new benchmark for sales integrations in all sports telecast. They are world class in their quality and their content, and they actually enhance the coverage while still delivering the brand message. We love them and we ran them at every opportunity during our Australian Open tennis coverage.
It's the proudest thing in my career was staying true to that character day after day.
The first time you see these films, you think to yourself, this is really compelling stuff. I just can't wait to use them.
And then I'd sit and look at my opponent and say, who's going to blink first? Most of the times they did.